The android Ultron was a genius without peer, but I am a god. I could not allow an errant intellect to steal the object of my vengeance. Spider-Man refused to submit to my will, denied my conquest of Earth, and killed my son, Carnage. He suffered and perished, but not until I told him exactly what would happen after he died. Catra proved quite resilient, but eventually Zuko broke her. She is a powerful weapon, a natural leader for my new invincible breed of symbiotes, cloned from the DNA of Spider-Man himself. Spider-Man robbed me of my blood. Now our score is settled. That is the will of Venom.